welcome to Storyboard That. My name is Liane, and today I'm going to show you how you can manage your assignments. Here I am on my teacher dashboard, where below the teachers and students icons, you can see the section for your assignments. Click here to view and manage all assignments. Here you can see how many you have created or added from our teacher resources. Clicking this arrow will show you any assignments that have been shared within your school. Your assignments are all listed in descending order from when you created them. At a glance, you can see what class they were assigned to and how many student storyboards have been created for each. This class has 10 students in it, so it looks like 10 students are working on their storyboards. You can also see the title of the assignment as well as the example that is attached to the assignment. These buttons, View and Edit, will take you quickly to view the assignment, where you can see the students' work, either by individual students or by the whole class. And if you click that Edit button, it is going to take you directly to the Edit Assignment tab. This is where you can make changes to your assignment, such as the instructions, adding more templates or changing the template, editing the example, changing the rubric, and so on. If you would like to delete the assignment, you could click here. Please note that when you delete an assignment, all of the instructions template and example and all of the student work will be deleted as well, and there is no undo for this action. So you can click delete this assignment, or never mind, I don't want to delete this assignment after all. If you would like to save the template that you have for an assignment or the example that you have for an assignment to use at a later date, but you still want to delete the assignment because you are done with it, you can remove the template and remove the example. Then when you go to delete the assignment, it will delete the assignment as well as the student work, but you have removed those and saved them in your storyboards. To get back to your main assignments page, you can click up here. And that is how you manage assignments within your teacher dashboard on Storyboard That. Thank you for watching, and happy storyboarding.